is February 24th, 2026. CNIS here, 2045. Southbound here with the G196. Let's come out! US 44 deleted. ex-Citirail 2756. Q train. Autonomous inspection car. And it looks like it's sparking. It looks like we got wheel failure. It's the hot Q198. The hot Q198 51 of the 19th started at Fairview Yard in Prince Rupert, British Columbia, Canada. This is going to head bound for Markham Yard in Homewood, Illinois. And another one. Multiple wheel failures. DPU. How about that? That was the brand new 3431. That was previously Illinois Central -9. Last of the 198 should be coming. Is. And Signal from DDTX and a train device is going. How about that? Just a couple of defects found on the Hot 198. An autonomous inspection car almost not even near mid-train, which is quite unusual. Why not? Why not? So that is going to do it for the hot Q198 51 of the 19th. We'll do it for the ex-Citirail of the 2756 and the DPU of the new AC44 C6M rebuild of the new 3431. That was previously an Illinois Central -9. Off again they go to Markham Yard in Homewood, Illinois. And we'll do it for this video at the southern side of Ladysmith, Wisconsin, just shy of Post 350 for Larsons. Thanks for watching, everyone. You have a great night. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along and maybe down the main line. CNIS out.